Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: known battery life, a working charger, and a current backup. Once you've backed up your data to iCloud or a computer, power down the iPad and remove any case or SIM. Make sure you have the right tools and an ESD-safe surface. Begin with an inspection for obvious damage, cracked screen, water residue, swollen battery, because these dictate the repair path. From here, you'll move into opening and internal checks. Once the case is open, work methodically. Heat the seams to soften adhesive, then use a suction cup and pick to lift the display slowly. Disconnect the battery first to prevent shorts, and visually inspect connectors and cables for corrosion or dislodgement. If the screen is the issue, replace the display assembly. If the battery is swollen or fails health checks, swap it. Make sure to reconnect and test components incrementally, powering on briefly to verify each repair before sealing everything back up. You finish by replacing adhesive strips and carefully reattaching the display. Tighten screws evenly and avoid over-tightening. Once assembled, run a full charge cycle, install any iOS updates, and restore your backup to confirm stability. If it boots but exhibits problems, try a DFU restore or boot into recovery mode. These steps can fix software corruption. If hardware faults remain, touch issues, no camera, or rapid battery drain,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.